Hey guys, Marlon from Impress Computers, and today we have another custom build. As you can tell, this is the NZXT 510, and this is an AMD build. We will go ahead and install this RAM from HyperX. This is DDR4 at 2400 with RGB. So let's go ahead and jump into it. Alrighty guys, so let's go ahead and jump into it. You got the little clip, but you have to deattach. And some of them come with two, one at the bottom, but this is only one way. Now when you install the RAM, there's only one way that this will fit, so if it doesn't work, just gotta flip it and it should clip like this. You'll hear the click. Let's go ahead and do it again for you guys to hear that. 1, 2, and that's it. You're good to go. Alright guys, so now that we got the RAM installed, I want to tell you real quick, this machine will be going out for sale. It'll be on Facebook, linked to our website where you can purchase the actual machine. It comes equipped with the H510 case from NZXT, the H570 motherboard, Ryzen 5 2600X, the HyperX 16 gigs of RAM at 2400 with RGB, as well as the XFX RX 580 with 8 gigs of RAM, which is also overclocked by XFX. This machine is capable of running a lot of power, so if you're running to do VR simulation or any high-end gaming, it'll have a lot of power to do it. This also comes with a 750 watt certified power supply, which is plenty of power, and if you want to upgrade, you have the extra room to do that. Alright guys, so another nice feature that this machine comes with is actually Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, and it's through a PCI Express card. We had a lot of requests previously from our customers asking it to install it, so we will be using it in the future for any of our custom builds. If you guys have any questions on this machine or any other computer assembly, you can leave your comments down below or give us a call at 281-647-9977. Thank you for watching.